Alright, Dorothy, we're back with tons of fun here. So, anyway, I don't have my soundbox collar on today, but I do have my nick set on 100. And with this dog, if need be, I'll do what we call bump that continuous button on the bottom, which is just a quick bump. So you guys remember, the nick is a pre-timed nanosecond, and that's just in e-collar vernacular. Some, guys told me, oh, that's not a nanosecond. Okay, whatever. That's just, it's pre-timed. It's going to go very quickly. The continuous is going to go as long as you hold it down. So if you just bump it, it may be go for 1 second as opposed to a nanosecond, millisecond, or whatever they want to call it. So with this dog, no, down. Good. That was pop, pop, pop on the nick real quick right there. You're only usually going to down. Use the bump on the continuous to get the dog moving back in your direction. You wouldn't really use it for the down like that. Rocky!
Good boy.
So that was the pager right there on the turn. If I need to, I'll replace that pager with that bump. Heel. Several nicks right there when he started to kind of go away. Heel. No, Rocky. Good. So I'm holding my remote though. Down. This dog, I'm actually doing my thumb on this. Normally I have it like this, you guys, but with this dog, don't ask me why, and then you're going to say, why are you doing that? But with this dog, I've got my finger here on the pager because, no, heel, down. And I'm using the thumb on the nick. I would say this dog takes equal parts pager and nick, whereas most dogs are 90-10. This dog is 50-50. Alright, let's just go again. But I do have it set on 100. You can see how much it's bothering. It's making his neck itch. Rocky! Good boy. Oh my God, we need to start the whole thing over again.